Hi, I'm Cheryl Leach. The problem we're going to work on next is an application from economics. We want to take a look at the marginal revenue. Well, before we begin that, we should start with the revenue formula. So in this case, our revenue is going to be 50x minus 0.5x squared. So I'd like to find the marginal revenue for this function. Well, what is marginal revenue? Well, marginal revenue is the rate of change of revenue with respect to the number of units sold. Well, let's break this down a little further. It's the rate of change of revenue with respect to the number of units sold. Well, the first thing I notice is that it's a rate of change. We know that a rate of change is a derivative, so we want to find the derivative to do this problem. Well, what do we take the derivative of? Well, we're supposed to find the rate of change of revenue, so we want to find the derivative of my revenue. And what's the independent variable? Well, according to the problem, it's the number of units sold. So in other words, I need to find dr dx. We know how to take the derivative of this function. We'll start out with the derivative of 50x, which is just 50, and the derivative of 0.5x squared. So that's going to be minus 0.5 times 2x. And when we simplify that, we get 50 minus x. Because this is an application problem, I'd like to get some units associated with this. Well, I know that R is measured in terms of dollars and X is measured in terms of units sold. So dr dx will be in dollars per unit. If you prefer, you can write this as 50 minus X dollars per unit. Now, what exactly does this tell us? Well, it tells us for each additional increase in selling my product, I will bring in approximately 50 minus X more dollars. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.